This is my mate Dom. We have loads in common, including history, music, and a love of cycling. We met up and went for a ride. It was a gorgeous day. The sun was shining, there was a warm breeze, and the birds were singing. It's just like being a teenager again, said Dom. And he was right. The carefree days on summer days, spring days, whatever days. Just having fun on your bike. We sat and talked about anything and everything, just like good mates should. We told stories, recounted silly stuff, and discussed some adventures for the future. We found a great little bike shop which sold anything and everything, including ice lollies, and I'm pretty sure Dom enjoyed his. We sat in a railway station cooking burgers, sheltering from the wind. Some people stopped and asked us where we'd been and where we were going. The thing was that we hadn't gone far at all. There wasn't any need to. It's the quality of adventures like these and who you are with that matter, not the miles that are travelled or the time spent doing them.